What's going on, guys? Jack Duffy from the JWD Landscaping and the Green Collar Entrepreneur YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great start to your spring. We are at our wedding venue. We are finally back mowing. Our new guy Willis, just showing him how to run the mower. For right now, we're going to record another video to lay stripes. So if you guys have ever been curious, if you guys are just starting out, or maybe you just own a home or something like that, you want to learn how to get those crisp professional stripes that we do, the diamond patterns, all of that good stuff. We're going to show you exactly how to do that in another video that we're going to record today. But today, this is a specific mowing vlog only. We haven't done one of these in a while. It's been a minute. The last mowing vlog that I just uploaded last week was more about answering the phone, getting back to your customers in a timely fashion, and learning knowledge about the industry that you're in. So this one's strictly a mowing vlog. We are just gonna mow today, get as much lawn care content that we can. This is our first mow of the year, pretty much. We mowed last week a little bit, but this is our big one. This is the first one. We're starting out strong with our biggest venue and our biggest account. So, mowing content, let's get into it. Not bad, Rick. Getting the hang of it.
He's getting it. It's gonna take some time.
It's the turning that's gonna be the issue. That's the biggest one. Everybody needs to learn how to turn the machine first. That's one of the hardest things to learn. Easily one of the hardest things to learn is turning the machine. That was one of the biggest things for me, and not scuffing up the lawn. That's one of the hardest things that people learn on zero turn, stand on, doesn't matter. Picking up these sticks. But it's one of the hardest things that I've learned that people still mess up all the time, even pros I've seen. They scuff up lawns because they turn too quick, and that's one of the biggest things that I train my guys to basically know. Go slow, man. Don't make a mess of the lawn, because the customer is paying you to make their lawn look really nice. And if you're scuffing it up, it's gonna look like shit. So I make sure that the guys know, turn slow, make your turns so the tires keep moving, rather than one tire stays still and it scuffs up the lawn as you turn the other one. So he's getting the hang of it. It's gonna take some time, but he's getting the hang of it. Alright guys, back in my office. I realized I didn't do an outro to this video, so I apologize that it's gonna be in my office, not doing lawn care at all right now. But I wanted to just talk to you guys a little bit about what we were doing today, why we uploaded a mowing vlog. So I mentioned the schedule recently, and I posted something on our YouTube channel as well with a schedule of when our uploads are going to be up, what kind of content is going to be our weekly content on this channel moving forward throughout the season. basically we're going to be doing a Monday, Wednesday, Friday podcast, and then Tuesday, Thursday is going to be mowing vlogs and in the field work. So that's kind of what we're doing. So this Tuesday obviously is when you guys are watching this video, or possibly in the future, but Tuesdays and Thursdays will be our mowing in the field, actual vlogging and getting content for our lawn care and landscaping work that we do in the Bucks County, PA area. And so that's the schedule moving forward. So thank you guys so much for watching and checking out this video. Hopefully some satisfying first cuts. Obviously the stripes aren't as crisp yet because we're rusty, man. We're coming out of the dull of winter. We haven't been on a mower in months. We're getting used to everything again. It's like riding a bike. You know, you take a few years off or a few months off. The first few goes aren't that great, but then the second you get back to it, and it's like rinse and repeat, and you know exactly what you're doing again. So thank you guys for checking out the channel. I appreciate all you guys, all you lawn care guys out there, all you landscapers out there, and all you newcomers into our industry. Welcome. And thank you guys for checking out the channel. New podcast tomorrow talking about trailers. I'm very excited about that one. It was actually from a comment we got on one of our videos last week that inspired me to do this episode tomorrow. So be sure to check that out. That goes live at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube channel, the Green Collar Entrepreneur YouTube channel. So thank you guys for checking us out. Leave a like. It really does help us out with the algorithm. I appreciate you guys. And subscribe if you love lawn care and landscaping as much as I do. Hopefully you guys are having a great spring, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.